What's up guys, it is part 4 building my dream garage. If you didn't see part 1 or part 2, 3 it is for truss only. Part 2 when I anchored the over there for the post. So if you didn't see, I will put the link in the description down below. So today my to do only to level the soil over here. The floor needs to be level. So I need to be level so badly. Skid loader, I never drive it. This is my first time and it's easy. And today is raining and tomorrow is raining too. The whole weekend is going to be rain. So I'm planning to finish this garage end of this month. Today is May 1. Hopefully I'll finish it before that. I was planning, if I did this one tomorrow, the scissor lift, they told me you can only drive it on concrete or on asphalt. So mine's not asphalt. I need to make a label, or I need to rent the four-wheel drive, the bigger tires, not the smaller one. I don't know. That one is more expensive than this one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need to run. It's raining, so enjoy the video. Okay guys, this was the next day. I finished this side on that side only. The other side I can't do it. Why it is? Yesterday and today rains. So when I get inside, I put the skid loader over there, and it was fine. I was moving it, and then I was stuck. I stuck twice. On this side we need more gravel. I don't have that much. I don't want to use the whole thing. I want to put all down there. I wish I did it before I get the worst use stuff. If I do that, I don't have that much stuff over there, and then I can make it level. I can't do anything now. I'll deal with it. So on this side we need more gravel. Need to level. It's not leveled, kind of. So if you see over here, it's a mess. So I'm planning to do the soil, bring it down by hand. If I put the skid loader on the side, I'll be stuck. So maybe you need to do dry and then rent it again. Oh, it's too much expensive it will be. If I wish I take these cars the other side, but for now I'm going to leave it. So when it's dry I need to put it back, and I was planning to rent this scissor lift today. It's raining, it's not useful. Maybe tomorrow or this week when it's not raining. I just waste of so I can't bring the scissor lift on this side, and then so my plan to do the scissor lifts, so all post, if you see all post on this side, take it off. So the truss need to be pushed in on this side. If I do that, I can't get it on this side. Otherwise the scissor lift doesn't go on this side. Maybe if the 4-wheel drive, if I rent the 4-wheel drive, it will be so expensive. It is expensive. So my plan is too heavy, the trusses so heavy to move them one by one. Is too heavy too. On that side we're good, but on this side to get the scissor lift so hard. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Only I have to push the truss on this side, and then on the skid loader I was stuck over here. Was no level before and it's stuck, and I grind the concrete over here. I was stuck. That's why I did that. So I was stuck, and then I was struggling for at least 30 minutes to get out. Finally we get out. One issue over here, I need to dry. Maybe this weekend I can deal with it by hand, and then I need to buy, maybe I'll buy 4 plywood. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.